Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing just fine. So, for our English lesson today, we will be learning about numbers. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Let's have a look at some numbers here. There it goes. Okay. Say it together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, class. Next, how to write the numbers in word. Okay, we start with number 1. Spell number 1 in word as O-N-E. 1. This one is number? Yes, very good, class. Number 2. Spell number 2 in word as T-W-O. 2. Okay, this one is number? Yes, very good, class. Number 3. How to spell 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay, the next one is number 4. We spell number 4 in word as F-O-U-R. 4. Okay, this one is number? Yes, very good, class. Number 5. We spell number 5 in word as F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, this one is number 6. How to spell 6? S-I-X. 6. Okay, this one is number? Yes, very good, class. How to spell 7? S-V-E-N. 7. Okay, the next one is number 8. We spell number 8 in word as E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay, this one is number? Yes, brilliant, class. Number 9. How to spell 9? N-I-N. 9. And last but not least, we have number 10. How to spell 10? T-E-N. 10. Okay. I hope you enjoy our learning today. So, for our next exercise, I need you to open your English CFR activity book and do exercises in page 4 and 5. That's all for today, class. I'll see you again in next video. Assalamualaikum and happy learning.